Hello friends! Today we're talking about BONK, the meme coin that's shaking the crypto world. Some call it the Doge of Solana. Let's break down why BONK might be a beast in 2025. Fact 1. Solana's first major meme coin. BONK is the very first dog-themed meme coin on the Solana blockchain. That means it benefits from Solana's super-fast transactions and ultra-low fees. No waiting, no crazy gas costs, just instant fun. Fact 2. Huge community power asterisk. One thing meme coins need is hype, and BONK has it. Over 400,000 holders, a massive presence on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. A strong community is like rocket fuel for meme coins. Fact 3. Record-breaking airdrop. BONK started with one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history, giving away tokens to early Solana users and NFT holders. That airdrop made early supporters loyal, and loyalty is gold in crypto. Fact 4. Big exchange listings. BONK isn't stuck in the shadows. It's already listed on top exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin. This means it's easy for millions of people worldwide to buy it, which boosts demand. Fact 5. Past performance and future hype. In its last big run, BONK pumped over 1,000%. Now imagine what could happen in the next bull run, especially with Solana gaining more adoption and BONK getting more attention from mainstream crypto users. So, will BONK be the meme coin beast of 2025? The potential is there, but remember, meme coins are high risk, high reward. Always do your research before investing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto updates.